How to uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to permanently uninstall Microsoft Edge, make sure to follow each of the steps. So first of all, you have to open your File Explorer on the device. Under File Explorer, tap on this PC and select Drive C. Once that is open, open Program Files x86, under which you will see the folder for Microsoft. Double click on it and then click on the Edge folder. Once you have opened Edge folder, click on Application and then you will see the address. Double click on it to open. Thereby you have to locate Installer folder. Click on it to open, and under that right click on any free space and click on Open in Terminal. This will open the terminal. Now there is a command that you need to enter here. For that you have to paste the command that is given on the description box. Copy and paste the command on your terminal and the Microsoft Edge will be permanently uninstalled from your Windows. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.